Welcome to the ERP Industry Insights, the podcast where we explore how technology transforms industries. I'm your host Nishad, and today we are diving into one of the most complex yet fascinating sectors, that is building construction. And our topic for today is how Odoo ERP unifies architects, engineers, and contractors. So, construction projects often fail not because of lack of expertise, but because of fragmented communication, scattered data, and poor coordination among the stakeholders. Let's explore how Odoo ERP bridges that particular gap. Well, in a typical construction project, you've got three key pillars: architects who design and envision the project, engineers who plan and ensure structural integrity, and contractors who execute on the ground. Now, here's the challenge: each group often works in silos, using separate systems, spreadsheets, and communication channels. Now, this leads to design changes being missed, delays in approvals, budget overruns, and costly rework. A single missing drawing update or a miscommunicated material requirement can derail weeks of progress. Some of the recurring pain points we hear from the industry basically include version control issues where the architect updates the drawings but the engineers or the contractors are still working with the old versions. They are having delayed approvals wherein engineers need quick sign offs but there is no real time tracking. Apart from that, they also have procurement mismatches where contractors often order materials based on outdated requirements. And lastly, they have cost overruns. Lack of transparency means budget spiral out of control. So, in short, coordination becomes the biggest bottleneck. Now, this is where Odoo ERP transforms the game. Unlike isolated systems or tools, Odoo provides an integrated platform that connects everyone. We have architects that can upload design updates directly into the system and that are then visible directly to all of the stakeholders. On the other hand, engineers, they are able to basically review changes, add technical notes, and approve digitally with version tracking. Also, contractors receive real-time updates. They can access the latest drawings and can align procurement with the approved designs. All of this happens with a single source of truth that eliminates everything from confusion to duplication. Now let's break down how Odoo ERP specifically benefits each of the stakeholders. For architects, document management module ensures design files, 3D models, and drawings are centralized with controlled access. For engineers, project and timesheet module track revisions, approvals, and dependencies seamlessly. And for the contractors, inventory and purchase modules align procurement schedules with the project milestones. And overarching this, real-time dashboards give everyone visibility into progress, delays, and the cost implications. Imagine this: an architect updates a building facade design. Instantly, the engineer gets notified, validates structural safety, and pushes it for approval. The contractor automatically sees the revised bill of materials in their dashboard and adjusts the procurement orders. What used to take weeks of emails and meetings now happens in hours. And the result? Projects stay on budget, timelines shrink, and collaboration becomes frictionless. As the construction industry moves towards smart buildings, modular construction, and sustainability, having a unified ERP like Odoo is no longer optional, it's essential. With integrations like BIM, IoT sensors, and AI driven scheduling, the future of construction ERP is about complete transparency and predictive decision making. So, the next time you think about why projects get delayed, remember this: it's not just about people, it's about systems. Odoo ERP unifies architects, engineers, and contractors on one digital platform, ensuring that construction projects move from blueprint to reality without any chaos. So, yes, that's it for today's episode of ERP Industry Insights.